How's it? This is Derek Mohoy again, the professional expert when it comes to knowing all about water. What I'm going to talk to you about today is snorkeling. Now, there's two things you got to remember because you got to have two things, and these are the two things you got to get. Snorkels, masks, and fins. Okay, those are the two things you got to get. Now, I'm going to show you how to put them on right, okay? Because snorkeling, you got to be safe. First, this one mask, okay? I'm going to show you how to put on these masks. Okay, now you put on these masks, like these. You take the strap, you pull them over the head, okay? And then you put the mask, over the eyes and the nose, okay? Remember, don't put the mask over the nose and the mouth and the eyes. Otherwise, if you breathe in, you're gonna suck the eyes right out of your head, okay? Okay, now this is a snorkel. Snorkel, write them down. S-N-O-K-O, snorkel. Okay, what you do is you gotta put them on this way. Okay? Okay? Because if you put on the wrong way, then you're gonna look pretty stupid, you know what I mean? You're gonna look like this. And this is the wrong way to put on a snorkel, okay? Okay. So you gotta put them on the right way. And then the next one is the fins. Remember, don't put the fins on your hand, otherwise you're going to swim backwards like that. Put them on your feet like this, okay? And that's how you snorkel right, okay? Okay, this is me snorkeling with Derek Moy. Take my advice and you'll be sharp in the water. Aloha.